I'm showing the hands-free Bluetooth system on a 2001 Mercedes E-Class. This applies to a 1999 to 2002, and a lot of W220s, a lot of the C-Classes from this era. It applies to a pretty good portion of cars. Any car with the Audio 30 head unit and the hands-free system especially. My car came pre-wired, but it didn't come with the cradle or the PSE unit in the trunk. I installed those myself. I haven't been version coded, so this is just like an immediate after install. I remade this video because I had a chance to in better lighting conditions. So the car is an accessory. I'm going to go ahead and power on the radio, and we're going to go to telephone. You can see it says ready. I have the V60 cradle with adapter right there in the center console. And we can go ahead and scroll through the phone book that it's downloaded from my phone. I do not know how often this refreshes. And just go back. Oop, we can just hit end to go back to the ready screen. And there are voice commands, but that is a separate video. So we can go ahead and dial numbers with the keypad. So let's go ahead and dial just a general number. We're going to do AT&T 1-800-288 2020, and then we can hit send here, or we can hit send on the steering wheel. We're going to use the steering wheel.
Welcome to AT&T. Para español, oprima el ocho.
And we can hit end here or on the steering wheel, and the call ends. You can also redial by hitting send, and it'll bring up the most recent number. And the signal status always shows 1 bar regardless of your phone's actual connection. At least in my experience, I'm using a OnePlus 60. And if we want to show what happens when a call comes in, I'm going to have IFTTT dial my phone, and I'll lock it. Just put it right there on the mount. And you actually do get the phone's ringtone through the speakers. It's not the greatest of quality, but it does work, and it shows you the number on the screen. And if I had the phone screen enabled in the instrument cluster, which I will, it would also show you the number coming up there, along with the associated name if the name was in the phone book it downloaded. So we're just going to go ahead and decline the call. Yeah, my phone used to decline the call with the buttons, but recently it has not. I'm not quite sure. I'm going to chalk that up to Android rather than the phone system itself. So that's it. I just wanted to show this because when I was searching for this video or any demonstration of the system, I couldn't really find anything, and so I figured I'm probably not the only person. No matter how small the audience is, it doesn't really take much time to put up a video, so hope you got some value out of this, and thanks for taking a look.